Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete Google Play Store purchase history. You need to click your account's icon, which is located on the top right corner. After you've done that, you need to click on Payment and Subscription window. Now click on Budget and Order History. After clicking Budget and Order History, you'll get a list of your recent purchases in this section down below. Since I don't have any purchases made from this account, this list will be empty. Now you need to open your Google account. The next step you need to do is opening the Privacy and Personalization section. Now scroll down to More Options and click on Delete your Google account. Just please stay with me, we are not done yet. Now in this section, you need to enter your password from your Google account. Now be careful because this is the most important part of the process. Before deleting your Google account, I advise you to download your data, which you can do it here. You need to approve these two first and then click Delete Account. This is the only way you can delete your Google Play purchase history. I hope this tutorial will help you and see you soon.